My camera's on and recording, just so you're aware. You okay?
You got that badge on for?
I'm sorry?
Are you part of the Met?
Am I part of the Met?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a Met police officer.
Take that badge off.
What badge?
Don't be stupid. That badge, you know what badge I'm talking. Take it off, it's banned.
The interaction begins with the auditor immediately noticing the thin blue line badge and calling it out on the spot. These badges were officially banned by the Metropolitan Police, and every officer was informed of the rule. So when the officer turns around, acting unaware of what's being mentioned, it isn't genuine confusion. It's a deliberate performance, a casual denial hoping the issue fades away. We've seen this tactic before. Forced cluelessness, a slight grin, and the silent expectation that playing dumb will let accountability slip by. Moments like this aren't insignificant. They reveal a mindset more interested in avoiding scrutiny than respecting it.
Take it off.
Are you part of the...
Take it off.
I'm okay at the moment, thank you.
It's banned.
Okay.
You're not supposed to be wearing it.
Well, if someone else tells me that, they can
What
tell
do you
me
mean
that.
somebody else?
Huh?
Like who? You want him to tell you? He's already told you. Take it off.
Okay.
It's banned.
I've not been told by anybody else.
It's banned. It's a
Can I help
banned
you?
badge. No, you can't. Yeah, you can take that off.
I'm okay at the moment.
Otherwise, Foxtrot Oscar, get out of here.
I'm okay at the moment.
Go
Why are you
away.
recording?
Go away. Don't tell me anything. Who are you?
I'm PC
Identify
Saunders,
yourself.
2011 Alpha Whiskey.
Take the badge off.
No, I'm good.
Have you got any badges?
Hello, sir. I'm PC Hunt attached Charing Cross. My body worn is on.
And what's your number?
1617. You can see it here.
We have
And
seen that you're...
What's your number?
What you can see here.
What is your number?
121.
Listen, we're being
Okay,
respectful
don't listen to me.
We're
Don't
being
listen to me.
respectful
I don't
you.
care.
So
Go away.
listen to what
Go
we're saying. You
away.
can't
No, I'm not
record
going to listen
inside
to what
the
I
building.
can. I'm not going to listen
inside
to.
the
Yes, I
building.
can.
The officer confidently claims that filming into the building isn't permitted. The issue is, that's not how the law operates. Not here, and not anywhere in the UK under public photography rules. When someone is recording from a public area, they are legally allowed to capture anything visible, even if it includes the inside of a police building. It is the responsibility of the police to secure sensitive information from public view, not the public's responsibility to stop recording. The principle is straightforward. If you are in a public space, filming is lawful, and it's up to the institution to cover anything they don't want exposed. This isn't a murky situation. The law is clear, and officers should be fully aware of it.
Yeah, because you coming
You're
up to me and he's
very
wearing a badge
Why are you
that's
filming?
banned.
Why are you filming?
Take it off.
I'm okay, thank you.
Tyrant.
Sir, what?
I'm sorry,
Tyrant.
what's happening there?
What's happening? He's wearing a defaced badge. That's what's happening. That's what's happening, isn't it?
No.
Yes, it is. It's
Sir.
defaced. Take it off.
No.
You're part of the Metropolitan Police, and I'm a member of the public, and I'm offended by it.
Okay.
I'm offended.
So can we have your name?
So take it off.
Can I have your name, sir?
Yes, you can. Not.
Okay.
The 2011 UK number's going to be 25.
That's right. Zip
So
it
why
all
are
up.
we
Zip
filming-
up. Zip
why are we
up.
filming today,
Shut
sir?
up. Don't tell me nothing.
Why are we filming
Out of my way.
today, sir?
Get out of my way.
What is your name?
What's your
Have
name?
a lovely day.
Huh? Say that again.
Have a lovely day.
Tell him. Take off his badge.
I don't need to tell him anything.
Why not?
I don't need to.
Yes, you do. He's
If you
wearing
speak
something.
to me politely, I'm willing to talk to you, but being very rude.
And you're going to tell him to take it off as well, yeah?
Sorry?
And then you're going to tell him to take it off.
I'm right.
Well then.
Sorry, can I
No,
speak to
tell
you?
him,
If it
tell
was
him,
your
tell him
house,
to take
what
it off.
would you say if I
Is this
start
your
filming
house? Is
inside
that your house?
Yes,
Is that
it
your
is.
house?
It's where I
You
work.
live there? Do you
It's
live
where I
there? Do you
work.
live there? Do you live there?
It's where
Stop
I work.
lying. It's not your house.
But do you
It's your
understand
place
this
of
is
work. No, I
police?
don't understand
Look,
you.
it's police.
Yes, so
Police.
what? Who gives a monkeys? I don't care.
Just move on with your day.
You get on with your day.
I will, thank you.
Go on then, off you go.
I will.
Foxtrot Oscar.
Once I see you
Dismiss.
stop recording
You're
this building,
dismissed.
I will.
I'm going to record
You're
it.
very rude. Wherever you put
You're
this, I
rude.
hope people see you're really rude.
You're rude.
I've approached you quite nicely.
You don't need to approach me at all.
I do when you're recording inside the
No, you
police
don't.
station through the
I
window.
can
It's
do it.
quite weird. It's
No,
rude
I don't care if it's weird,
Very
but I
weird.
can do it, yeah?
Why are we
Sorry?
recording?
I can record there, yeah?
I don't know why you're trying to
No,
trick us.
but I can do it. It's not a trick.
as well.
It's not a trick. I'm
Right,
telling you, I
it's
can
pathetic
do
what
it.
you're doing.
Comes the insult, the officer calling the auditor pathetic for supposedly trying to bait them. But here's the truth. Even if an auditor is attempting to provoke a response, an officer is expected to stay calm and handle the situation professionally. Wearing the badge means carrying the responsibility to remain neutral, respectful, and composed at all times. Personal jabs or emotional reactions don't just look unprofessional, they weaken public confidence in policing. In this role, self-control isn't optional. It's part of the duty. Breaking from that standard only reinforces perceptions of ego and unfair behavior.
Shut up.
YouTube
Go away.
channel.
Shut your mouth. I do not want to speak to you. Okay? You're wearing a defaced Union
trying to-
flag and I want you to
just
take
trying
it
to
off.
engage with
don't engage with me. Take off your badge. That's what you need to do.
What is your name?
What's yours?
Like you have.
Dismiss a lot of yours. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go on. Off you go. Off you go. Off you go. You don't need to know. None of your business.
Why not?
It's none of your
This is
business.
police, you understand?
Do you understand? Do you understand? Stop asking me questions. Okay? Because I don't want you to.
If you were.
Shut
looking-
up.
if I was
Stop
looking at
asking
your
me
house-
anything. I don't. You keep
Would
on
you
talking
not-
about your house. Is this
Yes,
your house?
It's property
Is it
that
your
you're not allowed
house?
to get in.
Is it your house?
It's where I work.
Is it you're not answering the question. Is it your house? Yes or no? Yes or no
not my
answer.
house.
It's not your house. No? Is that a no then, yeah?
But it's a-
So stop talking about if it's your house. It's not.
You're not allowed to get in there.
It's just quite
Who
poor
wants to go
behaviour
in
to
there?
record
Who
it
said
on
I'm
a
going to go
police
in
station,
there?
Isn't it?
Don't tell me what I'm not allowed to do. Tell me what I am allowed to do.
Yeah.
Can we help you?
And that's
I-
filming.
this
You
is
can
not-
take off that badge. That's what you can do.
Okay.
Otherwise, Foxtrot Oscar off.
Okay, well, I'm trying to talk to you. I don't know what I've done wrong to you. Why aren't you engaging
Okay.
with me?
All right, then I'll engage with
Okay.
you. Could you ask him to take off his
I'm talking to
his
you.
gang
It's got
badge?
nothing to do with
It's
him.
got
I'm
something to
talking
do
to
with
you.
you. He came up to me initially. He's
Okay.
wearing a badge
Well,
that
I've
I
now
find
approached you.
offending.
I've now approached
Okay,
you.
so he's wearing something which I'm
Okay.
finding very offensive. Could you ask
Okay.
him to take it off?
It's very
That's down to
offensive
him.
that you're-
It's not
If you
down
don't
to
like
him,
it
it's
so
down
much,
to
you.
you.
Can complain. You can complain. can't
Complain. Oh, how ironic.
you? Well, it's not
How
down to me,
ironic.
is it?
How ironic. Complain about something that's offending a member of the public that's banned by Sir Mark Rowley. You're who? Commissioner? Is he the commissioner?
He is.
And he's banned the badge, yeah?
I've not been told that. So.
Oh no. So who's your sergeant?
Hunter,
Who's your sergeant?
today,
Well,
So-
why don't you
Who's
tell
your
us
sergeant?
name and then we
Tomlinson.
can-
Sergeant Tomlinson, yeah? Well, Sergeant Tomlinson should be telling all Metropolitan Police officers not to be wearing that badge because it may offend members of the public. In this instance, it is offending me and I'm asking you to
Okay,
remove
what's
it.
that got to do if you're recording through the windows of my car?
I'm asking him to remove his badge.
But what's that got to do
Don't
if you're
double
recording through the
the
windows?
question. I'm asking him
You're
to
doing
move
the
his
same.
badge.
We're just trying to find out what you're
I
doing.
don't care. I
It's
don't
weird
want to answer you
behaviour.
anything.
All
Stop
right, then
telling
he
me
doesn't
about
answer
weird
you.
behaviour.
It's very weird.
Oh, so he can wear that
Very
badge,
weird
yeah?
behaviour.
Can he wear that badge?
Very weird
Can he
behaviour.
wear that badge?
I don't know what you're trying
Is
to
it breaking the
achieve
law
here. I
by
don't know what
filming
you're
in
trying
there?
to achieve here.
I'm not achieving
Filming through a
nothing.
window of a private place is.
Say that
In
again.
there, it's private, and my colleague.
And it's breaking the law. Arrest me.
so there's
Arrest
sensitive
me.
Information in
Arrest me.
What is your
Go
name?
on, arrest me.
What is your
If
name?
it's breaking the law, arrest me. Otherwise, don't talk rubbish, okay? Because you're really talking rubbish
So
now.
are you.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
And the thing about it is, I didn't come to you. I didn't ask you anything, did I?
We've come to you because you're recording. They've had to close the blinds.
Exactly. They should be closing the blinds.
What is that? What you're trying to achieve here?
Did I say
Video
that?
going on YouTube.
Did I say anything? I'm asking you to tell him
These
to remove
videos
the
go on
badge.
YouTube, don't they?
Remove the
It's weird
badge.
that you're recording
Remove the
inside a police
badge.
station, uploading a video to YouTube.
Remove the badge. Tell him to remove the
Can I ask
badge.
you a question? Why are you
will do.
recording?
Listen, do I have to answer a question?
Yes, you have to.
I have to.
This is police.
Who says? Who says I?
At one point, the auditor asks, "Do I have to answer your questions?" And the officer replies confidently, "Yes, you do." But that claim is entirely incorrect. Under UK law, unless you are legally being detained under specific police powers or placed under arrest, you are not required to answer questions. Outside those circumstances, you have every right to remain silent and walk away. This isn't a minor legal detail, it's a core right. Whether the officer was misinformed or intentionally misleading, that response crosses a serious boundary in how the public should be informed about their freedom.
You lot are trying to overstep your boundaries.
Imagine if I
You're
was
telling
recording
me.
in your,
Make your way
like
on
to you all the time.
Go on
what
then.
you do.
What are you doing there?
Suspicious male.
What are you doing there?
We record.
Exactly. You're recording me. You are recording me. Not imagine. You are.
Yes.
Exactly.
Because
What?
your behavior is
You know
strange.
what?
What we've just witnessed is yet another example of officers stepping beyond the limits of their authority and drifting away from the standards they are supposed to uphold. This is why understanding your rights isn't just helpful, it's necessary. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to support the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more straightforward legal commentary. The more we bring attention to situations like this, the harder they are for anyone to overlook.